Hey, today I am talking about these sneakers from Crown Northampton. As we approach the warmer weather, I'm going to try to get some more sneaker content up on here. And wow, these were really impressive to me. I've seen some great reviews on Crown Northampton footwear before, and these have totally lived up to the hype. Even just from when I unboxed them, the packaging and all the extras kind of let you know just how much care and attention goes into the product and just kind of how much they care about the quality and the presentation. And, no surprise because Crown Northampton, it's a footwear company that's been making handmade footwear in England since 1908. So a really long history. Originally, they operated under the name Ernest Woodford and Son. Pretty amazing as well. The company remains family owned, currently under the 5th generation with Chris Woodford. The pair I have here are the Overstone High Derby, and these are in Horween Natural Chromexcel, which is just one of the numerous world-class leathers that they utilize in their footwear. They have a bunch of sneaker options, and they also have desert boots and shoes available. So check out the link in the description if you want to see the full catalog. Everything about these, like I said, just super impressive. The leather is obviously top notch, being Horween Natural Chromexcel. It's going to have a lot of character and development over time. But the finishing and quality control on these is just perfect. They're a nice substantial feeling sneaker without feeling heavy on foot. But you know that they're made to last, and it's not a product that you need to baby. You can just wear them for whatever you need. They're built with a sidewall stitched outsole. You can choose between a gum sole, which I went with, a white sole, or a black sole. There is double stitching at high pressure points just for some extra durability, but the other stitchings are all blind. There are some nice subtle pull tabs, and I really like these because your pants don't get hung up on them. Wax cotton laces. They've got some lace loops on the tongue so you don't get tongue slippage. These are also lined with a premium hand-finished leather. And another great feature is the leather-lined insoles, which are nice and supportive and super comfortable. I wore these for a long walk on day one, and I had no problem, no blisters or anything. So with all this company history, the handcrafting that they do, the attention to detail, the high-end components they use to keep these, as they advertise them, the highest quality sneakers in the world, of course, it's going to come with a hefty price tag, and so initially when I saw the price, these are just over 550 Canadian, which Google tells me is around 390 US. I thought, oh man, a steep price, but you're dealing with a luxury product here. But, honestly, once I got them in hand, the price totally made sense that this is just a high quality, well-made product that is built to last. I mentioned that I was able to take these out on a long walk when I first got them, and sometimes that's a struggle for me just because of my wider feet and how sneakers fit. But one of the reasons why they were so comfortable out of the box was the fit, because they do have wide widths available, which is a game changer for me. Usually in sneakers, I have to size up or deal with some discomfort initially while the sneakers break in and stretch a bit to my foot. But in this case, with the wide width, it was perfect right out of the gate. For reference, I'm a 9E EE Brannick, and typically I wear a 9.5 in this style of classic sneakers. So I went with an 8.5 UK wide width, which would be the same size as my usual classic sneaker size, but in a wide width. And again, worked out perfect for me. But if you're unsure on sizing, again, there's a link in the description. You can check that out and take a look at their sizing charts so you can get that dialed in. So those are the Crown Northampton Overstone High Derby sneakers in Horween Natural Chromexcel leather. Definitely have pushed the envelope beyond what I even knew was possible to do with a pair of sneakers. Okay, thank you so much for checking out the video.